Greetings, Biafran people and lovers of freedom all over the world. This is Dotland Media. If you are joining us here for the first time, please kindly subscribe to our channel and touch the notification bell so that you will get notified anytime we bring new updates.
PM Simon Ekpa writes ECOWAS Court over indefinite adjournment of suit filed by northern groups to seek referendum for Biafra. Now, hear the news in details. The Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic government in exile, Mazi Simon Ekpa, has written to the ECOWAS Court over the indefinite adjournment of a lawsuit brought before the regional court by the coalition of northern groups, CNG, to seek referendum for the Biafra Republic. The letter is dated May 8, 2023 and addressed to the Community Court of Justice, ECOWAS Court. According to the letter, Ekpa asked the court to reveal the current status of the case, noting how the continued prolongation of the case is jeopardizing the interest of Biafra and Igbo people living in Nigeria. The letter reads, "We write to remind you of the lawsuit at the ECOWAS Court sitting in Abuja by the coalition of the northern groups, CNG, and other ethnic nationalities seeking a referendum towards a peaceful exit of Biafra and other indigenous groups from Nigeria. The lawsuit was adjourned to 20th October 2022 by Justice Inyang Ekwo. The African Charter on Human and People's Rights states that every citizen in any African country has the right to say that he or she is no longer interested in remaining in that country. Hence, we want to know the status of this case and when the ECOWAS Court intends to hear this suit, as Biafran people cannot wait indefinitely. Biafrans of the old eastern region of Nigeria are living under existential threat in one Nigeria. So we Biafrans demand a referendum for a peaceful exit from Nigeria. Biafrans are estimated at over 75 million people, some living in Nigeria and others dispersed all over the world. Biafra existed as an independent nation from 1966 to 1970, when Nigeria and its allies fought Biafra and annexed Biafra into Nigeria in 1970. Biafra land is so richly blessed with human and material resources. 95% of the oil and other mineral resources that fuel Nigerians' economy today comes from Biafra land. As a result of the gross injustice, human rights abuses, tribal supremacy, fanaticism, ethnocentrism, and class bigotry, the indigenous people of Biafra are determined to exit Nigeria. The indigenous people of Biafra are demanding a referendum to exercise their right to self-determination and restore the sovereign state of Biafra through peaceful means. Biafrans have been continuously and systematically killed in Nigeria. In 2016, more than 160 Biafran youths were shot down in cold blood at Ngwa High School, Aba. The army declared Operation Python Dance 1 and 2, in which they invaded the home of Mazi Simon Ekpa, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, killing over 50 Biafran youths. Mazi Simon Ekpa escaped assassination by the Whiskers. The army went to Uzowani in Enugu State, where they massacred over 100 Biafran youths and did the same at Ihamufu, Izombe, and Aguleri. Just before the general elections in Nigeria, about 40 people were shot in cold blood in Aba, Abia State, when some unarmed youths marched to the streets demanding the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who the Nigerian government is holding captive, even though the courts discharge him of any wrongdoing. The soldiers also wounded hundreds of innocent people. On 1st January 2023, the military led siege on the town of Ihube Okigwe in Imo State and burned down the town. The letter went further to narrate the alleged atrocities committed against the Igbo people by Nigerian security operatives after the 2023 general elections. Furthermore, after the presidential election in March of 2023, the military and political thugs burnt down businesses of Biafrans in Lagos, Maiduguri, Abuja, Kaduna, and Kano without justifications. These atrocities are systematic, not isolated incidents. To ease off these hostilities before it degenerates into another full-blown war, we call on your court to revisit the referendum suits immediately and grant the indigenous people who wish to exit Nigeria, especially Biafrans, the freedom to exit peacefully, the letter added.